Making data-driven decisions is key to running a successful business, and JungleScout is one of the best tools to help you do just that. Whether you're launching a new product, researching market trends, or optimizing your existing business strategy, JungleScout provides the insights you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use JungleScout to make smarter, more informed decisions and give you access to an exclusive free trial through the link in the description. JungleScout is a powerful platform designed for Amazon sellers, but it's also packed with features that can benefit entrepreneurs at all levels. By using data to guide your decisions, you can take the guesswork out of your strategy and focus on what truly matters. When you first log into JungleScout, you're presented with a dashboard that pulls in real-time data to help you evaluate products and niches. This is the core of making data-driven decisions. The product database lets you filter through Amazon's listings by different criteria: sales rank, price, reviews, and more. This helps you identify trends and potential gaps in the market. If you're looking to get into a specific niche, you can easily find top-performing products and see how they are positioned in the marketplace. Now, let's talk about one of the most valuable tools, Product Tracker. The Product Tracker allows you to monitor the performance of a product over time. This is crucial for understanding whether a product has long-term potential or if it's just a flash in the pan. By tracking sales history and fluctuations, you can make data-driven decisions about whether to invest in a product or move on to something else. But it doesn't stop there. JungleScout also gives you access to the Keyword Scout tool, which helps you discover high-traffic keywords that your potential customers are searching for. With these keywords, you can optimize your product listings, improve SEO, and increase visibility. The more specific you get with your keywords, the better chance you have of ranking on Amazon and capturing relevant traffic. For deeper insights into your competitors, JungleScout's Competitor Tracker gives you a snapshot of your competitors' performance. You can see how many units they're selling, their pricing strategy, and other critical metrics that allow you to adjust your approach. This is where JungleScout really sets itself apart. It doesn't just give you a product snapshot. It gives you a 360-degree view of the market. One of the most exciting features is the ability to forecast revenue. JungleScout's sales analytics tool helps you track your business's performance with accuracy and predict future sales. This is incredibly helpful if you're scaling your business and need to plan inventory or marketing budgets. You can visualize trends and make decisions based on hard data, not assumptions. By now you can see that JungleScout isn't just for researching products. It's a full-scale tool that provides everything you need to make informed, data-driven decisions that'll help you grow your business. Whether you're just starting out or scaling to the next level, JungleScout offers insights that can save you time and money. And before you go, don't forget that by using the link in the description below, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial of JungleScout. Don't miss out on this chance to leverage the power of data to drive your success. Start making smarter decisions today with JungleScout.